Hi everyone, it's Mohammed Mustafa here. I'm here to give you good news. The good news is the successful completion of our Fund13 funded project, Cardano Ghana Developer and Tech Hubs Onboarding, with project ID 13000043. This project was a 3-month project spanning from February to April 2025, and the project was executed and implemented in 3 milestones. The first milestone was to educate on board 50 developers and 1 key tech hub from Tamale, Ghana into Cardano and Catalyst ecosystem. And the tech hub was HOPin Academy, where we engaged developers from Tamale to learn about the nitty-gritties in order to build real-world solutions on Cardano blockchain. The team proceeded to Kumasi, the capital of Ashanti region, and then where we engaged 50 developers from Kumasi and Whizzy Academy, one of the tech hubs in Kumasi. They learn the tools and the resources that they need to build in order to build on Catalyst and Cardano ecosystems. The final milestone was to educate developers from AyaHQ Builder Hub in Accra, and of course engage AyaHQ to have information, to have the knowledge that is required in order to build on Cardano. For the Accra event, we had 3 African builders joining the event: Mohammed from Nigeria, Diana from Uganda, and Labori from Togo. These builders were so much interested in bringing Cardano to their respective countries. And we hope that they will be able to explore Catalyst and perhaps take advantage of the Cardano Ambassador Program in order to build and bring Cardano into their respective countries. The Cardano to Ghana Developer and Tech Hubs Onboarding entirely is bringing about 150 developers from Ghana and from these 3 key cities in Ghana into Cardano and Catalyst ecosystems. As part of this, we had 150 responses, post-workshop surveys from the participants, and these people give us insight, these people give us their experiences and thoughts regarding how they can contribute meaningfully into the Cardano ecosystem, and of course how they hope that as the co-founders of Cardano Ghana community, in order to grow and sustain the Cardano Ghana community. This project wouldn't have been successful without the support of the project team, the volunteers, the supporting speakers, the vendors that even provided us with food and beverages throughout the project. Namely, Seydou Ziblem, a dApp, co-founder of Cardano Ghana community, Richmond Opong, Madame Ifya Owusu, Nana Safo, Abdulaziz, Alhassan, Hamza Fisseni, Abubakar Mahamadou, Rashid Anina, Abdulrahman Ibn Saleh, Osman Mohammed, Adam Osman, Yusuf Mutiatu, and a whole lot of young minds contributed to the project in order for it to become successful. We want to express our heartfelt gratitude to these individuals.
On my end, I just want to take a moment to highlight some of the resources that we share with participants in this 3 event that we've organized to onboard developers into the Cardano ecosystem. Amount of the resource package for this participant was a comprehensive brochure of the Cardano developer ecosystem. In this brochure, we make our time to provide them the need or the reason why they should build on Cardano. A lot of things were highlighted at that angle. The developer ecosystem was also highlighted on the brochure. We took them through the developer portal as well as the developer resources, which they could learn the programming languages as well as the links to this programming language, as well as how they can also leverage on the available resources that has already been established in the Cardano ecosystems to make their development or onboarding as developers in the Cardano ecosystem very simple. We didn't leave them there in the brochure. We also try to explain to them some of the funding opportunities that are available for them as new developers come into the Cardano ecosystem. Project Catalyst was the key highlight, where we ran them through how to get the account registered on the Project Catalyst, and everything was highlighted as Mustafa made mention. We also took them through C Fund, of the IUG. Also, Intersect grants was also highlighted, as well as Cardano Foundation support initiative for developers. So this was just a brief of what we have given to our developers in terms of resources that we provide for them. And it's a continuous project, as Mustafa may mention, and we are looking forward to keep on engaging them and supporting them with all kind of resources that they will need, or technical skills or human resources that they will need to be able to develop their projects onto the ecosystem, being in Project Catalyst or any other form that they are coming.
So thanks to the Cardano community and the Catalyst community for the support. Together we can build real-world decentralized solutions in Ghana, so that we can affect political systems, the economic systems, and our social systems, in order to make the world better for all of us to live. I just want to end with a quote from the founder, Charles Hoskinson, who said during the Cardano convention that if we keep our conversations running, and if we keep the constitution lively, keep the constitution as a lively document or a living document, the world will run on Cardano. So together we have to push and make sure that we effect solutions, we effect problems that are plaguing the globe, so that we can make the world better for the next generation to come. Thank you very much, and see you on the other side.